Okay, so this graph comes up again and again from my fellow atheists, and I hate it. To be fair, you look like a bumbling when you use this. It's horrific. So let's take a look at why I say that. Now, I'm not going to comment on when these people lived at all. I actually don't care. I'm talking about the graph itself. It's horrific. So let's see. So we have these two people, Clement and Imatus, or whatever called, who supposedly lived from 30 to 100 after Jesus. These two people are said to live from 30 to 100 within the text, but on the graph they are placed from 50 to 110 and from 50 and to 100. This doesn't make sense. So first let's remove the 110, that doesn't make sense. And then let's scale them back to where they supposedly lived. Now suddenly the graph doesn't tell the story that people wanted to tell. It doesn't make any sense anymore. But what do I mean about this? Well, let's look a bit at it, right? We can also correct a few of the others down here. Now, that doesn't have any impact on the information itself, but I have no idea why they were so horribly misplaced. So now the graph at least says what it says it does. But what about its claims? Well, up here we can see that all green historians are supposed to be alive while Jesus were alive, and all the blue were not. Now this is interesting because we just corrected 2 blue historians in this list. And what do we see? Well, yeah, sorry, flashing effect. You can see we have a green person here, and we have a blue person here. And what do we see? The overlap. It is not possible for Perseus, who lived from 34 to 62, to have been alive during Jesus' time, while Clement, who lived from 30 to 100, were not. This just does not make any sense whatsoever. And that's my problem. People are sharing this as if this is good evidence against the resurrection of Jesus. Now I think there's plenty of reason not to believe that Jesus were resurrected. But this is horrible. And if you share this and really think this is a good argument, you shouldn't be sharing anything about statistics or graphs at all. This is horrible.